Who wants to have something done for you? We're going to break the rules tonight. I'm in a creative mood. Who wants a done for you something? You guys want done for you something? All right, let's make Mark Pauschal something. He says one. Bam! Mark, that's going to be the bomb. I hope you like it. And anyone else need anything done for you as promised? Well, actually, I didn't promise that, but oh, Ray Santillion, he wants a domain live. You want me to get you a good domain? All right. I really don't know why I'm working that hard tonight, but I will. I will do that for you because I'm very happy with the turnout. What a turnout tonight. Oh wow, I found it. I'm usually retarded and can't, but I found it for some reason. Okay, here we go. What's your niche? What well you want to flip it? You want to flip a domain? Oh, money with Mark. Look at that logo. Holy shit. Mark Parshall, you are a lucky son of a gun. Let me crop this for you. Do it correctly. Holy crap. Bro, that is like the best logo ever. Now, you guys want that prompt? All right, here you go. Check out this prompt. Damn. You see that? Look at that prompt. Oh my God. You could post that all over the place. Man, he's gonna be getting money. You gonna do some TikTok lives, man? Tell everyone to email you, dude, and then sell shit in the DMs. You got to make a lot of money, man. Pretend a gun is to your head, and the worst things possible if you don't make money. All right, you got to have the gun to the head mentality, man. Or it ain't gonna work. You know what I mean? I went through a divorce. Like I went through a vicious alimony. That's what made me so good at this shit. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna crop it for good old Mark, and then we're gonna jump into domains for Ray. Oh my God. You guys believe this? That is so slick. Bro, that is so crazy. It's transparent background too, bro. All right, I'm uploading this to the webinar. Okay. Handouts. Choose a file. killer. Money with Mark. All right, upload it. It's the webinar. All right, Money with Mark. Grab that. Dude, just post that all over the place, bro.